So my computer is Windows 10 operating system. So I will type here download VS Code. You have to click on this link code.visualstudio.com. Then you have to click on this Windows. It will start downloading the exe. You have to save this exe in downloads folder. You have to click on save. It will download VS Code exe file. Once download is complete, you have to go to the downloads folder. In downloads folder you will find this exe file. Now you have to double click on this file. Accept the agreement. Click on this. Click on next. Click on next. Then next. I will click on this. Next. Then install. It will install VS Code in your computer. Now installation is complete. You have to click on finish. Now we will see how to open this VS Code. First I will go to the folder in which I want to open this VS Code. I want to open VS Code in this folder. You have to click here, you have to type here cmd. It will open command prompt. Then give command, that is shortcut for opening VS Code in any folder. You have to give code space and dot. Then it will open VS Code in that folder. Now you can see the folder name, that is Python code, and I have this hello.py file. Using these icons, that is new file is there, create folder is there. Using these you can create file and folder. Now I will create one file here. I will give name test.py. Now it has created that file. I will write some Python code. For example, I will take here a is equal to 10 and I want to print a on the console. I will give, now I want to run this file. You have to click on the terminal. You have to create new terminal. Now on this command line you have to give command, that is python. You want to run this file. Now I want to run this test.py file, so I will write its name and click enter, and your python file will get run. In this way you can download and install VS Code in your computer, and in this way you can do Python program using VS Code. Okay.